I've worked the foundation row and the first row of the chart, which is 9 purl stitches and 8 simple stitches. So the next row, row 2, is a short row, and we need to work 7 Tunisian simple stitches. You'll notice on the chart that the first loop isn't marked. You don't actually work that loop, you don't create it on the forward pass, so it doesn't really need to be on the chart. So work 7 Tunisian simple stitches. So I've got 8 loops on my hook, and then you just need to work a standard return pass. Oops. We now need to work 9 purl stitches. The first 7 are worked into our short row, and the last one of those 7 will be worked through from the front to the back, so you've got these 2 loops on the left, and then the next one after that will be worked into this stitch here, which is the stitch from the row below, first stitch from the row below. So work your 9 purl stitches across the short row. So I've worked 6 of the purl stitches, and the last one, bring the yarn to the front and put your hook from front to back through there. So I'm working that as a purl stitch, and then the next purl goes in this one here. That's the 8th purl stitch, and then the 9th. Then we change to Tunisian simple stitch to the end of the row. So the next row is row 4. I'm going to work that and I'll come back to you and show you the next short row on row 5. For row 5 we need to work 11 Tunisian simple stitches. So you'll have 12 loops on your hook, 2, 4, 6, 12, and work a standard return pass. Row 6 is 9 purl stitches. and then we change to Tunisian simple stitch. For the last stitch of the short row, from front to back, insert your hook, so you have 2 loops there, yarn round, pull up a loop. That's the end of the short row. The next stitch you work is into this one here. You can really start to see the effects of the short rows here now. So this is how the sample looks after I've worked the remaining short row. And you can see the effect of the short rows of flaring this end of the fabric out. And you can just see the short rows there. And there's one there and one there.